In this age of AI, we have to type a lot, right? We have to communicate with the AI agents, our text editors, to accomplish things. And guess what? It's very annoying, right? I don't like it. I feel like I've never typed this much in my life. And yes, I am a developer, but I feel like I'm constantly typing nowadays. But listen, I got the solution for that. I got the best application out here from voice to text, okay? And it's super fast and it runs locally. I want to introduce you guys to PARASPEECH. Now, I want to start this off by saying I'm not sponsored by this. I'm not getting paid for this. This is just an application that I found in the wild, and I could tell you that it's legit, okay? This is why I went in out of my way and reached out to the creator. Shout out to the indie developers out here that basically built this. And I said, hey, man, I want to try this application and I want to go in, show it to my audience. And on top of that, I'm going to give you guys a couple of licenses completely for free, thanks to him, right? So shout out to Alex Verlis, like, dude is legit, man. He built an amazing application. I can tell you guys right now. Now, again, PARASPEECH, this is the website, paraspeech.com, right at the speed of thought. And I could say, guys, this is a beautiful landing page, man. Shout out to him for actually creating this, right? Shout out to Alex. This looks very nice, straight to the point. As you can see, hey, you basically, instead of typing, you just talk to your AI or talk to your program. It basically works anywhere. And I'm going to show you guys how this thing works in a second, but I want to go in and give the highlights, right? Like why this thing is so good. Well, let's break this down. This actually runs locally in your computer. You don't have to be connected to the internet. You don't have to go in and actually, freaking send this thing to the cloud, get the AI to go in and listen to your voice, have all of your data and your information, and then send it back to you. No, everything is running locally and you don't have to be connected to the internet for anything. All right. And one thing that I love is that it doesn't eat up a bunch of resources. It's not like you have this crazy AI in your computer running all day, eating up your RAM. I'm looking at you, Google Chrome, right? Right? So guess what? This thing is actually pretty smooth, right? So let me go in and talk about, just the pricing model. I think this is another big highlight of this, because you have a competitor like this one where most people probably have heard of Wisprflow. I personally don't like Wisprflow. I signed up for it before and it just was very annoying with that little thing that pops up at the bottom. I hate that thing popping up there. It just used to get me really annoyed. So I just canceled the service a long time ago and I just don't use it. But I've been looking for a voice to text application like this one, and just the pricing itself, like, it just makes sense. You buy it, you pay for it one time, and you basically get the license forever instead of having to go in and pay $15 a month every single month, okay? Or sign up for a whole year for $12 every single month. Like, that doesn't make sense, right? When you have something like this and you could literally purchase it directly, okay? Now, again, it's super affordable. Look at this, 30 bucks, bro. 30 bucks. Like, this is like what I would call crackhead prices, okay? So again, it's a very good price for anybody. And again, I'm just showing you guys this, being transparent. Like I said, I'm not getting paid for this. I am going to be giving some free licenses for you guys to try it out. Thanks to Alex for giving us those licenses so we could give it to you guys. Like I said, it's just an application that makes sense. So let me go in and show you guys this thing in action. Once you have PARASPEECH installed, it's very simple to use. You can choose to either use a combination of keys or you could use a double tap of a specific key. Me personally, I like to have it as a double tap on the control key. So I'll give you guys an example of this. We are in cursor. And I'm just going to go in, double tap this. I want to build a landing page with HTML, CSS, and it's a landing page for a restaurant that sells steaks. I don't know. Keep it simple, right? I'm just freestyling this. And as you can see, it basically wrote everything and we got cursor ready to go. Let's actually see what cursor actually created for us. So let this load up and there we go. Very simple website for a restaurant, right? Again, Shout out to Cursor, right? We in the future, guys. This is a starting point, right? This is not the final app, but it's a good starting point. Now, what's really cool about this is the fact that we could just go in and talk to the AI without having to type a million words. All right. That's the part that I hate the most. So I'll give you another great example of this. This is Suno, and Suno is an application where you could go in and generate AI songs. So let's go in and again use good old PARASPEECH. I want to create a trap song, basically something that will be played in the early 2000s, and I want it to be about voice text and talk about having that tech on you and bringing out that text on that tech. Right? So give me that. So let's see what it comes up with, right? All right, I'm just gonna go in and click create, and I'll show you guys in a second.
Yeah. Talk to the tech, talk back. Voice in the air, it's a coded track. Got the text on the tech stack. It's the future on my hip, gotta keep it intact. Talk to the tech, talk back. Digital whippers is a vocal smack. Bring out that text on the tech, no slack. Got the words in my hand, watch the code unpack. Clip to my side, yeah, I'm strapped with a sound. Voice memo flying, bounce words on the ground. Vibrations hum, message is profound. My tech got a drip, no water around. Yeah.
Man, I gotta stop, bro. Listen, guys, links in the description for PARASPEECH. I'm also gonna put in the licenses, first come, first serve. So go in there, get your license, go freaking sign up, download it, because whoever gets it first, that's it. It's a wrap after that. So it's gonna be in the description. By the way, guys, it's 25% off for those of you guys that want to purchase it. Guys, it's like 30 bucks. Okay, it's almost nothing. Definitely go check it out. I'm telling you, this is something that you are gonna use, and I could recommend it because I'm using it myself. Now, guys, by the way, for anybody that is watching this and is looking to learn how to code, guys, come to CodingPhase.com. That's where you got to come in and learn how to code, learn how to do this stuff. You want to build applications. You want to be that guy that's building applications here, making money with it, getting a job. Guess what? This is where you want to come to, CodingPhase.com. This is what we do, right? As you can see, coding doesn't have to be boring, right? That's the new model. Coding doesn't have to be boring. And coding doesn't just mean like, hey, let's just learn how to code without no results. Come to CodingPhase.com. This is what we do here. We help you with the whole process. We have a great curriculum, and we also have a new version of CodingPhase, version 4. Okay, so definitely come in, check it out. We've been doing this for more than 7-8 years, and yeah, man, I recommend come to CodingPhase. I'll see you guys later. Bye.